Welcome to our tutorial on JavaScript, mastering the REST operator for clean and efficient code. In this session, we will delve into the powerful REST operator, which is a vital element introduced in ES6, or ECMAScript 2015. With JavaScript being a cornerstone of modern web development, understanding the REST operator is essential for any developer aiming to write flexible, readable, and maintainable code. Whether you're building client-side applications or server-side services, this feature can greatly enhance your coding efficiency. By the end of this video, you'll understand how to utilize the REST operator to handle function parameters, manipulate arrays, and destructure objects seamlessly. Let's get started. Now, let's explore the theory behind the REST operator. The REST operator is denoted by three dots and allows developers to represent an indefinite number of function arguments as an array. This feature replaces the cumbersome arguments object and enhances code readability and maintainability. Consider a scenario where you need a function to accept a variable number of inputs, like a sum function. With the REST operator, you can efficiently handle such cases without explicitly defining each parameter. Beyond function arguments, the REST operator shines in array manipulation. It facilitates operations such as slicing and splicing by allowing you to deconstruct arrays. For instance, you can easily separate the first element from the rest of an array. Additionally, in the context of object destructuring, the REST operator captures remaining properties, enabling partial data extraction. This is particularly useful for managing complex data structures while maintaining clarity in your code. To see the REST operator in action, let's look at a practical example within a React application. We have a simple app showcasing different uses of the REST operator, handling function arguments, manipulating arrays, and destructuring objects. In the function demo component, we define a function sum that uses the REST operator to accept any number of numbers and return their sum. This eliminates the need to specify each parameter individually. In the array demo component, we demonstrate how to use the REST operator to separate the first element of an array from the rest, which is useful in various array manipulations. Lastly, our object demo component illustrates how the REST operator can extract specific properties from an object, leaving the rest as a separate object. In the demonstration, we begin by navigating to our React application. The application features a main title, Mastering the REST Operator, which confirms you're in the right place. First, we explore the function demo component, which calculates the sum of numbers using the REST operator. You'll notice the results displayed directly. The sum of 1, 2, 3 is 6, and the sum of 4, 5, 6, 7 is 22. Next, we observe the array demo component, where we separate the first fruit, apple, from the rest of the fruits, banana, cherry, date. This demonstrates the power of array manipulation using the REST operator. Finally, we focus on the object demo component, where the name John Doe is extracted from a person object, leaving the rest of the details, age and occupation, as a separate object. This showcases how the REST operator can simplify object destructuring and data handling. To wrap up, mastering the REST operator in JavaScript equips you with a versatile tool for writing clean and efficient code. We've covered its key concepts, practical applications, and seen it in action within a React app. By integrating the REST operator into your development practices, you can handle functions, arrays, and objects more effectively, enhancing your code's readability and maintainability. As you continue to work with JavaScript, remember to leverage this feature to streamline your coding process. Thank you for joining us in this tutorial, and we encourage you to experiment with the REST operator in your projects to fully grasp its potential. Happy coding!